why does Allah care about parents' emotions more than children's emotions? What's the children's fault? First of all, nobody has the right to question Allah Azza wa Jal. This is totally inappropriate and disrespectful, especially when being worded in such a fashion to indicate an objection or this is not fair. So this is definitely inappropriate and not allowed. However, if we look at your question, you're saying, why does Allah care about the parents' emotions, and He instructs the children to be dutiful, obedient, and respectful, while not asking the parents to be as cordial as that? The reason is, and Allah knows best, that the inner feeling of compassion, mercy, love, and kindness is natural in the hearts of the parents. So you don't preach the choir, as they say. You don't need to. While the children are by nature rebellious, disobedient, and at times ungrateful. So Allah made it clear that they must go out of their way to be kind, dutiful, obedient, respectful, and taking care of their parents. This is the general tendency. This is the norm. You will find sometimes that some of the parents are not at all compassionate or caring or loving. Yet this abnormality does not justify the children to be disobedient or disrespectful. The parents who are of such a nature would be held accountable on the Day of Judgment, and Allah Azza wa Jal would surely punish them for their behavior. Yet, even if they were the worst of people, they still have an upper hand for being the reason of a person existing in this world. And the least you could do to repay them is to follow Allah's commands, which is a form of worship, which is a form of showing your subservience to Allah Azza wa Jal. When you obey and respect and become dutiful and kind to this parent who doesn't deserve it in our worldly standards, but simply because Allah told us to be as this, we are in compliance with it.